Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, we will take a look at how to install ChatGPT or have ChatGPT available as a shortcut into our device. So we don't need to keep going into the browser and logging in. All we have to do is open up the software and we are already there able to access this. So how exactly do we do that? Well, first of all, we have to go to chat.openai.com, as we can see right here. And then we log into our account. And then, depending on which web browser you're using, so I'm using Google Chrome at the moment, you can go ahead and go into settings right here, the three dots. And then we go down and look for the more tools icon. Now we're going to be creating a shortcut right here. And then we have this option to open it as a window. So this is entirely up to you. It doesn't make a difference, but I'm going to go ahead and tick this setting right here. And then we're going to click create. Now what that does is it's open up an app right here, as you can see. Or to show it even more, I'm going to close this. And then you can see the ChatGPT icon right here on your desktop. So there it is. That is ChatGPT installed, or a shortcut installed into your device. So this can work in any device that you have. So that can be either a Windows or a Mac device. And another thing as well, what you can do is you can actually even drag this here to your toolbar, so that it's acting as another app right here, so that when we click this, we have ChatGPT up and running, all ready for you to be used. So now let's go ahead and clean up this desktop. And now you have ChatGPT installed down here. There you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.